Hey guys, hope you all are safe. So in today's video, we'll see how to make this beautiful super easy sliding card for this lockdown friendship day. Though we can't meet our friends this time in person, we can make one of these cards, put their name on it, take a video and send it to them. I'm sure it will make their day. So without wasting anyone's time, let's get into the video. So we'll be needing some color papers, and then any picture of your choice of two friends. It could be a bunny or dogs or anything. Can also be a picture of you and your friend. Here I'm going to layer my tape because my foam was very thin and I want the slider to slide very easily. So I'm adding another layer so that increases the height. So what I did was I drew a sketch of girl and watercolored it. So in a normal regular A4 size paper, I painted it with watercolors. So as I said before, you can take pictures of your choice. You can even take photograph of you and your friend. Basically any two pictures. So since it is a normal paper, I'm adding a cardboard behind. In here you can write anything of your choice, like your favorite quote or your friend's name or just happy friendship day, anything. So now our DIY is done. This step is completely optional. You can go and decorate however you like. So hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you recreate one for this friendship day and gift it to your bestie. And happy friendship day to you guys. Stay safe and see you all in the next video. Bye.